Have you ever wondered how much the electricity bill for the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, might be? This architectural marvel, soaring 828 meters into the sky, is not just a testament to human ingenuity, but also a power guzzler. It's a city within a city with residences, offices, and the world's highest observation deck. You can just imagine the amount of electricity it needs to run smoothly. But how much exactly does it cost to keep the lights on in the Burj Khalifa? What does the electricity bill of such an impressive structure look like? Well, it's no small figure, that's for sure, but the exact amount might surprise you. And it's not just the sheer size of the building that factors into the cost, there's a lot more to it than that. Join us as we delve into the factors that contribute to the Burj Khalifa's electricity bill. Determining the exact electricity bill of the Burj Khalifa is challenging, but we can make some educated guesses. Let's delve into the estimated yearly energy consumption of this massive structure and compare it to the average household. The Burj Khalifa is believed to consume around 100 million kilowatt hours of energy annually. To put that in perspective, that's over 3,000 times the yearly energy consumption of an average household. It's like powering a small town for a year. Now let's talk about the cost. The price of electricity in Dubai is roughly 25 cents per kilowatt hour. Given the tower's massive energy consumption, we can do some quick math to estimate the annual electricity cost for the building. Multiplying 100 million kilowatt hours by 25 cents gives us a whopping 25 million USD. Yes, you heard it right, $25 million. But wait, there's more. This hefty sum doesn't even include the peak demand charges. These are additional charges applied during periods of highest energy usage, typically during the day when businesses are in full swing and the air conditioning systems are working overtime to combat the desert heat. Also, the Burj Khalifa is not just an office building. It's a multi-use structure that houses residences, a hotel, restaurants, and even an observation deck. All these different uses contribute to the overall energy consumption and therefore the cost. So when we take into account the peak demand charges and the diverse uses of the building, the annual electricity bill is likely to be even higher than our initial estimate. With these estimates, we can see that the Burj Khalifa's electricity bill likely exceeds 25 million USD annually. That's a staggering amount even for a building that holds the record as the tallest in the world. Stay tuned as we explore more factors that contribute to this colossal energy bill in the next scene. However, the bill doesn't just consist of energy consumption charges. When it comes to the electricity bill of a colossal structure like the Burj Khalifa, there's more to it than meets the eye. You see, the actual cost of electricity is only one part of the equation. There are other factors that come into play and add to the overall cost. Let's break this down. The first additional cost that we need to consider is the associated taxes. Like in many parts of the world, electricity consumption in Dubai is subject to taxes. These taxes are typically a percentage of the total cost of electricity consumed and can significantly increase the overall bill. Next, we have distribution charges. These are costs related to the delivery of electricity from the power plant to the Burj Khalifa. They cover the expense of maintaining the power lines, transformers, and other infrastructure that make it possible for electricity to reach the building. This cost can vary depending on the distance and complexity of the distribution network. Other costs that might be included in the bill are service and regulatory charges. These are fees that are paid to the electric utility company for providing the service and to the government for regulatory purposes. They also contribute to the overall cost of electricity. Now, if we add all these additional costs to the estimated 25 million USD annual cost of electricity consumed by the Burj Khalifa, the total bill could be significantly higher. In fact, when you consider all these factors, the total electricity bill for the Burj Khalifa could exceed 30 million USD annually. This is a staggering amount, isn't it? But remember, we are talking about the tallest building in the world. A marvel of modern engineering that stands over 800 meters tall and houses thousands of people and businesses. So the next time you look at your electricity bill and feel a pang of shock, just remember the Burj Khalifa and you might feel a little better. Taking these additional factors into account, the total electricity bill for the Burj Khalifa could exceed 30 million USD annually. The Burj Khalifa isn't just devouring energy, though. It also takes measures to save it. Let's delve into how this architectural marvel strives to be energy efficient. The building incorporates a variety of energy-saving measures. One of the most significant is the use of solar panels. These panels harness the abundant sunlight of Dubai, turning it into electricity that's used throughout the building. It's estimated that the solar panels can heat up to 17 Olympic-sized swimming pools each year. That's a whole lot of hot water, right? Next, let's talk about lighting. The Burj Khalifa doesn't use traditional incandescent bulbs. Instead, it's lit up by LED lights. These consume substantially less energy and have a longer lifespan than their traditional counterparts, which means they don't need to be replaced as often. This not only saves energy, but also reduces waste. And it doesn't stop there. The Burj Khalifa also utilizes energy-efficient appliances. From the air conditioning units to the kitchen appliances, everything is designed to use as little energy as possible. The building also employs an efficient waste management system, which includes recycling and composting, further reducing its environmental footprint. Moreover, the Burj Khalifa uses a smart building management system. This system monitors and controls the building's resources, ensuring that energy is used as efficiently as possible. It adjusts lighting and temperature based on occupancy and time of day, significantly reducing unnecessary energy usage. Through these measures, the Burj Khalifa is able to significantly reduce its energy consumption. It's not just about being the tallest building in the world, but also about being a leader in sustainable practices. So the next time you look at this towering structure, remember that it's not just a symbol of architectural achievement, but also a testament to the possibilities of energy efficiency. From our exploration into the Burj Khalifa's electricity bill, we've seen some astonishing numbers. This colossal structure, soaring 828 meters into the sky, presents a unique challenge when it comes to energy consumption and cost. Let's revisit some main points. Our estimates place the Burj Khalifa's yearly energy consumption at a staggering 100 million kilowatt hours. To put that into perspective, it's over 3,000 times the amount of energy an average house uses in a year. And with electricity prices in Dubai hovering around 25 cents per kilowatt hour, this translates to an annual electricity bill that surpasses 25 million US dollars. But the story doesn't end there. The electricity bill isn't simply a reflection of energy usage, it's a complex calculation that factors in taxes, distribution fees, and other expenses. When considering these additional costs, we estimate that the Burj Khalifa's total electricity bill could exceed 30 million US dollars annually. Yet it's not all about consumption. The Burj Khalifa is also a testament to energy efficiency. A variety of measures have been implemented to minimize the building's energy footprint. Solar panels harness the power of the sun, LED lighting significantly reduces energy usage, and energy-efficient appliances are used throughout the building. These initiatives help to offset some of the building's considerable energy demands. It's also important to note that while these figures are estimates, they help illustrate the scale of energy usage in such a large structure. And while the Burj Khalifa is a unique case due to its height and prestige, it provides valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities of managing energy in large-scale buildings. In conclusion, the Burj Khalifa's electricity bill provides a fascinating glimpse into the world of energy management in skyscrapers. It's a story of immense consumption, but also one of innovation and efficiency. It's a reminder of the costs associated with powering our modern world, but also of the potential for sustainable practices to mitigate these costs. So while we may not know the exact figure, it's clear that powering the world's tallest building is no small feat, both in terms of energy usage and cost. But as we continue to push the boundaries of architecture and engineering, we also push the boundaries of energy efficiency and sustainability. The Burj Khalifa is a shining example of this, a beacon of human achievement that stands tall against the Dubai skyline.